All
So
right.
hi everybody. Welcome to this episode. For today's guest, I have IJ and Alcina. So guys, I want you guys to introduce yourself. Just a brief background on what you do, who you are.
Ladies first.
Okay, hi, Nico. Good
Good
afternoon to
afternoon,
everybody. My name is Alcina Garcia. I'm 40 years old and I'm a stay-at-home mom.
IJ.
Oh, may age pala, may age reveal. Hindi. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Nico, first and foremost, thank you so much for having us on
Thank you
this
also.
on this YouTube channel. Congratulations,
Thank
and
you,
we're
thank
happy to
you.
be here. Yeah, this is my wife, Alcina. I'm IJ Garcia. May age talaga. Sige, I'm 42 years old, and I'm a professional musician.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Sabi mo, from what band? For what band?
Oh, ano?
Ako ba?
Sabihin mo na!
Sabi mo
Grabe,
na,
grabe
kasama
talaga. Sabihin
yun.
mo na, yun yung kanta namin. Yeah,
Sabihin
Oh,
yeah,
mo
yeah,
na.
I'm with a band called Freestyle, and I'm a music
yes.
producer. So,
Yes.
yeah, yun lang man. Pero mas gusto ko pickleballer.
yeah.
Pickleballer.
So guys, why
Well,
do I
also,
have Oh,
Yeah.
yes, what?
we have two kids. Soleil, who's
Yeah.
Yes.
9 years old, and Ilak, who is 5 years old.
Okay.
Yes. Oo.
Why do I have them here today? It's because I want to share their journey as parents who have raised and who is continuously raising a child with special needs.
Mm, mm.
So I want to ask
Yes,
first,
yes.
ano ba yung specific special need sickness ni Soleil? Para lang
Okay,
ma-address natin yung ano.
so,
Mm.
Soleil, our firstborn, she has a condition called autism spectrum disorder.
Okay.
So she was
ASD.
diagnosed. I just wanna, I guess, go back to the very beginning.
Yeah.
Simulan ko na, no? Yung kwento.
Yes, yes, go.
uh, this was when she turned, from 0 to 2, she was okay.
Okay.
She was fine. She was hitting all her milestones. Firstborn ko siya eh. Tapos, stay at home na rin ako even at that time because the
Okay.
pregnancy was a bit difficult. So talagang sobrang tutok ako sa kanya. I noticed everything. I was laser focused on her talaga. So she was okay. Okay siya. She was hitting her milestones from 0 to 2. It was when she hit 2 that I noticed na she wasn't responding to her name, wasn't really giving that much eye contact, tapos medyo delayed sa speech. Doon ko talaga pinaka na-notice. Kasi most 2-year-olds would be pretty much conversant already.
Yeah.
May words siya ha. She's
Now
not
she works.
completely nonverbal.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
She's so good at labeling.
Okay.
Labeling,
Numbers,
yeah,
shapes,
what's this,
colors.
what's this.
She knows that.
Yeah.
But if you ask her, what happened earlier, yung mga ganung bagay. So,
Yeah.
dun siya sa conversation, dun siya hirap talaga. So, I actually immediately um, researched about a developmental pediatrician, and I had us listed to see a developmental pediatrician kasi I'm sure most of my co-awesome moms or co-awesome parents will know that the wait for to see a developmental pediatrician is long.
Okay.
6 months back in the day during our time, 6 months. But
Just to
now,
get a schedule?
Just to get a schedule.
just to get an
Mahirap,
appointment.
mahirap.
Okay. Okay.
Now, actually, now the wait could go as long as one
A year,
year.
1 year.
Ngayon na, lalo
Wow.
na ngayon.
Okay.
So yun, I put our name on the list and I said, you know what, 6 months, 6 months is a while, baka she's a little delayed lang, she might catch up, and if that happens, I can just cancel the appointment.
Yeah.
That's what my thinking was at the time. And then the 6 month period came and we saw the developmental pediatrician. I don't know, I was so confident at that time na the doctor will say, oh, it's nothing.
Yeah,
And then
yeah.
just,
You have
I'm
nothing to worry about.
I was
Yeah.
just too OC kasi nga hindi
Yeah.
naman siya ganun ka-obvious yung mga
Yeah.
manifestations or symptoms with her.
Okay.
But then, when we saw the developmental pediatrician, the official diagnosis was speech delay, to rule out autism. Hindi pa rin diagnosed, ha?
Yeah.
Delay pa lang.
Yeah.
So, even at 2 years old pa lang, yun na, nag-start na kaming mag-occupational therapy for a couple of months, and then after that, speech therapy, and then I was just going through the motions
Yeah.
nung therapies na yun, and raising her, ganyan. And then in 2021
Okay.
to 2018 to
Yeah.
2021, just
Yeah.
going through the motions of therapies, schooling, ganyan.
Pandemic hit pa.
Pandemic hit.
Yeah.
Still going through it. Online namin ginagawa yung mga therapies. 2021, so casually, the doctor said, yes, it's autism. So the doctor finally
Confirmed.
confirmed and
Mhm.
diagnosed her with autism.
Okay.
And I guess it was because he took his time
Yeah.
to
To make sure.
like really give that diagnosis.
Yeah.
Kasi parang siguro kasi bata pa siya at that time, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, hinihintay siguro, okay, maybe delayed lang to talaga. Let's see how the therapies would work. But
Yeah.
really, in 2021, yeah, during the pandemic, that was really when we got the diagnosis. So yun.
So how did you guys finding out that she had that sickness? How did you guys take it at first? Both of you guys. What was the initial thought process? Was it hard? Was it scary? Was it what? Did you guys pull back first and sort of, Lord, why me? Why us? Why did this have to happen? Or was it, Lord, thank you. Let's just do this. I thank you for this. I will raise her. Like, what was your thought process?
Sorry, ako i-ano ko lang, no, correct ko lang siya. It's not a sickness.
Okay.
It's just
Sorry.
a condition. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. No problem. Actually,
A lot of people have
a lot of people
Yes,
think
yes.
that
misconception.
yeah, ito na nga yung perfect opportunity for us
Yes.
to say to correct that it's
Thank you
not
for
a sickness.
correcting me.
Yeah,
No worries.
no worries. It's just a condition,
Okay.
a developmental condition. So, ako, I'm going to be honest, I was heartbroken. Pasensya na. Grabe, I don't wanna cry, but
It's okay. Go.
it's important for me to say this kasi there might be some parents out there, yung newly diagnosed, ha, medyo ilang years na kami sa journey na to, yung mga newly diagnosed, they might feel the same way as me, and they might think that there's something wrong with how they're feeling.
Yeah.
I want to tell you, there's nothing wrong
Mhm.
with being hurt. I
Of course.
was heartbroken when we got the diagnosis because I felt like the child that I was imagining in my head died. Parang ganon. This image of this child, that this daughter that I was going to have, na parang I would do stuff with, ganyan. It's not like as if I'm not gonna be able to do stuff now with my daughter, no. It's
Yeah.
not, I'm not saying it like that, please don't get me wrong.
Yeah.
It was just really this image of this neurotypical little girl that I have, parang nawala yung ganon. But initial reaction lang yon, of course,
Yeah,
kasi
of
syempre
course. You got scared.
parang ano pa ako yes, scared pa ako dun sa diagnosis.
Yeah. It's
back
something new.
then.
It's something
So
new.
new, oo, na
Yeah.
parang it was like it was feeling ko ang dami ng mga bagay na hindi magagawa. And I was so wrong. Back then, ha. So I
Yes,
want to
yes.
tell you, if you're a new parent and you just received if you're new to this, that's what I mean. If you just received your diagnosis, yeah, don't be so heartbroken like how I was before. Yes, your life is going to change. Yes, there's going to be something different, but um it's not it's not worse than if your child were neurotypical. It's just different.
Yeah.
Yun lang yun.
Yes.
So, pero if you're watching this and you feel, yun nga, heartbroken ka, parang yung loss, may
Mhm.
loss.
Yes.
You lost something. It's okay. Natural to feel that way. Pero, yun, don't sit on that. Don't stay in that because, yeah, you can cry for a little bit. You can, s- like, reflect on how you feel, yung being heartbroken. Pero, um, get over that, wake up from it, and just move forward because there's so much ahead of you and your child needs you. So, wala naman akong binblame at that time
Yeah.
or even, kasi some people may ganyan,
Yeah, yeah. They
find
find an outlet.
something to blame,
Yeah.
something to
The
blame,
cause, the
someone
cause.
to blame, or the
Yeah.
cause. Yeah,
Oh,
yung
Yeah.
ano, sa mga vaccinations ba yan?
Yeah, yeah.
Daming
Or-
conspiracy theories,
Sakit
honestly.
ba to? Nagkasakit ba ako during the
Yeah,
pregnancy?
mali ba ako
compatible
Yeah.
ba kami?
Yeah.
pregnant?
Alam mo yun, maraming...
Or
Sa genes ba namin? Yeah.
Yes.
Exactly.
Mm.
Nung bata ba siya, masyado ko ba siyang pinanood ng TV?
Yeah.
Kasi medyo ganun ako, medyo
Yeah.
napapanood
You
ko
let
ng
her,
TV
ano?
at such a young
Screen time.
age. Screen time, kasalanan ko ba yun? Ganun, hindi. Hindi.
Yeah.
Walang ganon. Don't think about that. These things just happen.
Yes.
It just happens. And ayun, so that's how I felt at that time. I was heartbroken, yes, for a little bit. And then I snapped out of it and I was like, okay, let's do it. Let's go. What do we have to do? Because I know there's so much to do.
Yes. Ikaw, IJ.
Ako, brother, medyo maraming similarities naman din kami ni Elsina.
Yeah.
But honestly, in the earlier stages, when she had those feelings na parang, or kung meron siyang kutob na may something wrong nung age 2 years old, ako honestly, wala.
Okay.
I mean, in the sense na, kasi nga, in Solei's case, she had a lot of words. Like, she was saying,
Yeah.
mom, dad,
Yeah.
alphabet, colors, animals, shapes. Alam niya lahat din, bro.
Okay.
So parang ako, alam mo yun, alam mo yung inisip ko, alam mo namang lahat ng bata may kanya-kanyang age na to talk.
Yeah.
Di ba? Yung kailan sila yung, like my brother, I remember my youngest brother spoke later, way later compared to me or
Yeah.
my other brothers. So inisip ko,
Yeah.
bakit di pa, bakit let's just
Yeah.
wait. I mean,
Yeah.
hindi naman sa pagiging in denial, pero I'm thankful then for Alcina kasi siya yung nag-push na parang, sige, let's have her check pa rin
Yeah.
kasi there's nothing to lose naman eh. And ako
Yeah.
naman, there's nothing to lose. So, kung walang problema, great. Diba?
Yeah.
But if there is something, at least we can address it as early as possible. So, which
Yeah.
we did. And it took us 3 years to get the official diagnosis. But those 3 years kasi, doon ka na medyo napapansin na parang, okay, yeah, there might be some, I guess, things we need to really look at and consider. Kasi nga, she's from 3 years old to 4 years old to eventually 5 no
Yeah.
2021 heading into the pandemic. And yun nga, honestly, worst timing, umabot pa sa pandemic kasi we really had a really tough time um, going through therapy using like a
Online.
laptop or
Yeah.
iPad. Ang hirap. I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah.
it's hard na nga enough to do it. It's hard to do
Face-to-face.
therapy face to face with a kid.
Yeah, that's true.
Lalo na pag screen. So parang
Yes.
it was really a huge struggle. Not just for us, but for her, I'm sure. Not just
The
to sit her
distract.
down and just focus on the screen and
Yes.
do things. But anyway, ako when we found out the official diagnosis, of course I was heartbroken as well in the sense, although more in the realm of really not knowing what this is.
Yeah.
Kasi ako honestly, I had no alam ko naman may mga autistic akong kilala before growing
Yeah.
up. During our time kasi nung bata tayo, hindi pa masyado aware yung awareness ng autism or even yung parang education
Yeah.
regarding
True.
autism is not widespread.
That's true.
as compared to now. I mean, right now it's not even super widespread yet, but at least
Yeah.
there's some awareness happening
Yeah.
already. Nung time natin wala eh. So
Yeah.
when I found that out, yun nga parang I was clueless. Parang okay, ASD.
Yeah.
Okay, what does that mean? Ganyan, ganyan. So parang of course ako as a dad, my biggest fear naman talaga after researching and really knowing this kasi syempre we want her to get better in the sense at least parang as each year progresses nag-iiba din yung priorities ko
Yeah.
for her. And I'm sure Alcina and all the other awesome AUS hindi sinasabing DOAWE awesome kasi
Ah,
autistic.
okay.
Awesome. All the
Yeah.
awesome parents out there have the same fear. And
Yeah.
I think the biggest fear naman is when we're not here in this world already to take care of our kids.
Yeah.
Who's going to take care of them? Who's going to give them the love and the care and the affection when we're no longer physically around? I think that's the
Yes.
biggest fear.
Yes.
So parang preparing for that day for me is my ultimate and our ultimate goal. And what does that mean? Yun nga, every year it changes. Nung una, syempre, you want her. Kasi nga, with Soleil naman, yung every awesome kid, every ASD kid is different.
Okay.
Meron talagang extreme cases na talagang non-verbal, as in no words at all.
Yeah.
As in sounds lang.
Yeah.
Maybe moans or ano lang, maybe some noises na ginagawa sa
Yeah.
mouth, but no words. And there are some in the way opposite side of the spectrum, the super high functioning. You can talk to them like this.
Okay.
They have, you can talk to them. You can talk to them. They're very intelligent. Meron pa yung tinatawag the savant syndrome. They
Yeah.
can be doctors. They can be surgeons. They can be lawyers. They can be anyone they want to. They have extreme talents and even parang medyo magic na. They can
Hmm.
remember things na neurotypical people can't. So
Okay.
it's just that wide of a spectrum yung autism.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so ako, since Soleil is medyo neither here nor there, like she's
In the middle.
in the middle.
Yeah.
So what we're pushing for now is the best that we can that she can actually take care of herself.
Yeah.
And learn how to survive. I mean, when the time comes that we're no longer here. Pero we're thankful enough kasi syempre, I mean, in any family naman, whether neurotypical or with autistic people or other disabilities or whatever, it takes a village. It really
Yes.
takes a village, and we're just thankful enough right now that we do have a village, and the support that you get from all these people, lola, lolo,
Yeah.
tita, titos, kapatid, pinsan,
Yes.
that will greatly affect talaga it will help you and encourage you to just keep on.
Yeah.
Kasi yun nga, like I said, I guess we're also very fortunate enough because you know what, apart from the hardships that you're going to go through with taking care of a kids with special needs, with autism, it's very expensive.
Yeah.
Therapy is expensive. Finding the doctor fees are expensive. Actually, it's sad nga lang kasi if the Philippines, we're catching up, slowly catching up, pero we're way behind pa rin compared to, let's say, the first world countries who offer these services for free.
Yeah.
Therapy is free in the States and in Canada, some areas, in Europe, and then tayo, we are actually ang konti pa na mga therapists natin dito. We have limited supplies of doctors who actually know this, and even teachers who have SPED degrees to actually have that license and knowledge and know how to
Yeah.
deal
To teach.
to teach kasi iba the way
Yeah.
that the process is so different from us. So parang you really need an extra amount of patience, an extra amount of understanding, and of course love. You need that kasi you need to love what you do. Kasi I think people who are in this, it's not just about the business, but it's also a calling. It's a vocation, and wherein you really want to help these kids and these adults because they're awesome adults as well. So it's a lifelong journey. It's a lifelong thing that you continue to learn, and uh, you learn along the way. Kami, we make mistakes. We don't understand things, like even choosing therapists, choosing
Yeah.
schools, choosing diets. Ang
Yeah.
daming things to consider.
Right.
But ako, all I can say lang, we're blessed lang, and we thank, we're so thankful that we have this community pa rin, and the means to actually do it. So, yeah, I mean, it's been difficult, pero that's what we're preparing for. And I guess the biggest blessing also that came for us was when we had our second child. Kasi when we had our second child, si Ilak, siya yung bunso eh. He's the
Yeah.
younger brother. Pero we're raising him to be the kuya.
Yeah.
Because eventually, as we're getting older, we're not naman getting any younger talaga. So when that time comes, when we're no longer physically here, my prayer and would be, Ilak will take care of his sister.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And not just him, even cousins and everybody. So totoo lang, brother, kung wala akong problema sa pera, kung hindi
Yeah.
problema yung pera,
True.
gusto ko maraming anak. Gusto ko marami. No, kasi I want a
Support
community
system, yeah.
support system. I mean, yun nga, if I were the one giving birth, syempre, I know it's a burden to my wife
Yeah.
na physically. Pero kung walang problema sa pera, tapos walang
Yeah.
problema sa panganganak at physical,
True.
hormones, I
True.
love it. Kasi parang, ang sarap eh. Ang sarap na may kasama eh.
Yeah,
To
that's
help
true.
and
That's
support.
that's
And
true.
but the reality is right now, we're dealt with the cards that we're dealt with now. We're making the most out of it. We're working hard. We're continuously just keeping on and trying to give the best life for Soleil. I mean, for our daughter, and hopefully we'll never run out of strength and dedication. It's not easy, but it's not naman super hard also. I mean, some people think it's way hard, but there's so many things to be thankful for. There's so many milestones that little victories we celebrate each day, and our daughter is such a joy. She's my biggest joy. And just seeing her smile, that's it. I mean, that's all I need.
Ganda.
So para mapapaisip ka lang bro na parang, sa dami nangyayari sa problema, the simple things are really the most important.
Yes.
And
I
sometimes
agree.
you tend to complicate life in adding so many things that you need to consider. But honestly, if you really look like closely, the important things are just those simple things.
Yes,
You
that's
don't
true.
everything else is just fluff and gravy and confetti, but yung importante is buo kayo, you love each other, you have your family, you have the support that you need. That's it. That's it. So,
I agree. Ganda.
yeah. Yeah.
So yun, ang ganda ng story eh. Kasi yun nga. So
Oo.
with this, ano yung journey nyo? Ano pa yung lessons na basically natutunan nyo with all the years? Every year kasi
Mm.
like you said, it's different. Eh. So what are the lessons like? Hindi naman kailangan per year, pero ano yung general
Yeah.
lessons nyo along the way?
Cool.
Surrender.
Mm.
Like, I think having the best lesson in surrender, having a special needs child will be one of the best lessons in surrender because you can't control it.
You can't. Yeah.
You can't control it. You can't use your own willpower lang to fix it. I say
Yeah.
quote unquote fix
Yeah.
because I'm not saying there's like something I'm not saying she's broken that she
Yeah.
needs fixing.
Yeah.
But I also want to acknowledge that she has real life challenges
Yeah.
that we are addressing.
Mm.
So parang ganun ko siya fine-frame. But yes, surrender. I've learned kasi I'm a type A personality.
Okay.
Type A, OC. I plan, I'm a checklist type of person. What's the problem? What's the solution to the problem? Very type A, cut and dry. And then here comes this something that I don't know about, something I cannot control no matter what I try.
Yeah.
Because even if I kahit gawin mo tong mga ganitong, of course, these therapies help, no? But sometimes we have challenges na kahit ginawa na namin lahat,
Yeah.
hindi siya naaayos. Hindi siya naa-address, ganun. And sometimes I would just let go and yan, siguro God will teach you that eh. You will let go and you just lift it up to the Lord. You surrender. I've surrendered my child to the Lord. And you know what? Sometimes the Lord will help you. It will just get fixed on its own. Ganon. And really trust and depend on God is what I've learned in this. Surrender. Really surrender and yield to His will. So that's just what I'm trying to find out. I'm not trying to control this anymore based on what I want
Mhm.
and how I want this to get again quote unquote fixed or addressed. But it's more like really listening and yielding to the Lord's will for Soleil. So yeah, surrender is what I've really learned in this journey and with this um with Soleil's condition. Surrender and patience. My gosh. I mean, it's so weird. Ako pa yung sabi ko nga, alam mo, nagkaroon ako ng conversation. Magkakaroon ka talaga ng mga conversations with the Lord, with this,
Yeah.
if you're going through this journey. But why, Lord, why did you give this to me? Alam mo na nga na hindi ako patient na tao. Parang why me of all people? Kawawa naman siya. Sa akin pa siya ako pa yung naging nanay niya na
Yeah.
she needs a patient mother. Pero siguro sinasabi sa akin na Lord, well, she will be the one to teach you patience.
Yes, exactly.
She
Exactly.
will break you. She will break that,
Yun yung lesson ni Lord sa'yo.
yung temper mo,
Yes.
i-break niya yan. Kasi wala kang choice.
Yes.
My child. Parang baka ganyan yung conversations namin. Wala kang choice, anak mo siya, so you will really learn how to be patient and how to love. Kahit mahirap mag-love sometimes. So yun. Surrender, patience, and love. That's really what I've learned.
Ikaw, Brother RJ.
Ako brother, I mean, ako kasi nung lumabas si Soleil, love at first sight talaga eh. Lalo na daddy sa daughter.
Gets
Alam mo
good,
yan?
gets good. Yes,
Alam mo
of
yan?
course, yes.
Iba yung
Yung
father-daughter
tibok, yes, iba eh.
relationship. I mean,
Yes.
sa lalaki kong anak, iba rin yun.
Iba rin yun, yeah.
Pero yung father-daughter, iba talaga, bro.
Yes.
So, ako talaga nung lumabas si Soleil, alam mo yung automatic iba. Iba yung pagmamahal.
Yeah.
Na sobrang iba yung bond ng father-daughter na
Saka firstborn mo eh.
firstborn. Tapos kamukha ko pa.
Yeah.
So, alam mo yun, ako, in terms of learning naman, like what Alcina said, marami namang things that we can't control, right? Every day. Pero meron din kaming things that we can.
Yes.
And the things that we can, we work with it. And every day, every month, every year, it's a journey. It's a learning process. Trial and error talaga eh. Minsan there are things that will work, when you talk to other friends and family who have, who are in the same situation as we're in, some things work for them, some things won't. I mean, some things that, they advise us would work for us and some wouldn't. And we try to customize it as we see fit for our daughter. Kasi every child is different naman talaga.
Yes.
So ako the way that I look at it every year in my learnings, yun nga, there's no cut and dry, like, one size fits all na method. So what we do, when we do find something that fits, when we do find something that works perfectly, we run straight, like head on, we do it. Kasi this works di ba? May milestones. And those little milestones kasi help you, and it encourages us to keep on just going. Na parang, like for example, honestly, again, when we found, so we have a dev ped, we have therapist, but we found this wonderful person. She's a behavioral therapist.
Okay.
So it's a different type of doctor.
Yeah.
Behavioral therapy, not traditional therapy, parang ganun. So when we found her, it really changed, like, by leaps and bounds yung ano ba, yung temperament ni Soleil, yung the way we could handle her. Kasi since we're new to this then, and we're really not, we're still learning, di ba?
Yeah.
So the way kasi we handle, anyway, just to give you guys and friends who are watching a little background. So kids with autism have different quirks. They have different, sometimes they melt down, they have stimming, they have to regulate themselves differently because they get affected by noise. They get affected pag they're overwhelmed, let's say pag masyadong madaming tao. They tend to keep to themselves, they tend to play by themselves, not really. Some of them are not sociable, or most of them also don't like to socialize. So parang these things and it's a daily thing kasi parang you have to make sure that we try to make sure that she's comfortable enough, but also aware that in real life you can't always control the environment.
Yeah.
Kasi diba, you can't always keep her naman. Ang hirap naman din kasi na you just keep her at home. You
Yeah,
know, you just
that's
keep her
true.
in a
That's true.
box.
Yeah.
Hindi rin ganun ang buhay eh. So eventually you need to expose these kids also to real life environments wherein they can thrive pa rin and know how to regulate themselves. And yun nga, like when we met this behavioral therapist, it gave us so many new things to understand. Ah, pwede pala to.
Yeah.
We can do this with her. May mga protocol kaming fina-follow na when she's feeling, you know, dysregulated or whatever. So it gives us hope. It gives us hope na. And so things that we can control, basically every year, we try to just continue it and maybe learn. It's a never ending learning process din sa condition na to eh. We're still learning. And si Soleil kasi nga, right now, syempre it's different. Like 3 years ago when she was 6, you know, she's
Yeah.
turning 10 this year. And naturally, people and kids with ASD also experience the same things we, you know, neurotypical people experience every
Experience.
day.
Yeah.
So as we go through puberty, as we go,
Yeah.
maraming na-experience. So sabay-sabay yan.
Yeah.
So syempre every year is different.
Yeah.
May mga ma-retain na mga things that we're doing, merong maiiba, we can change, we can substitute. But ultimately, yun nga, the uncontrollable things we can't control, we surrender and we, you know, we just let go kasi yun nga, there's no use stressing on it kasi wala ka namang magagawa eh. Those are uncontrollable. But the things that we can actually work on and research and learn, we strive to do so. Again, we're not perfect by any means. We're
Yeah.
so far from not perfect. Ang dami rin namin, you know, problema and, you know,
It's a
hang-ups
learning
sa
curve. It's a
buhay.
learning curve.
It's a learning curve and we're not experts by any, don't get us wrong, we're not autism experts.
Yeah.
We're just
We're just sharing our journey.
sharing our journey, but as much as we can, yun nga, it's still beautiful. It's still a beautiful journey and kahit anong sabihin ng lahat ng tao, hindi ko papagpalit yung daughter ko. I think she's perfect. I think she's beautiful, the most beautiful girl I've ever seen.
Yes.
And yun nga, sobrang love ko yun eh. So parang kung binigay siya sa akin, binigay siya sa amin ni God na ganun, and that's what He envisioned our daughter to be, then who am I to question His perfect design?
Tama.
So si Soleil is perfect. So
Amen.
whatever we're doing, I know she's different. Yes, she is, but she's perfect.
Amen.
So,
Ganda.
yeah.
That's nice, bro.
Yun.
So can I ask something? Is there still a fear that is still haunting you guys right now for the future? Now, besides you passing away and nobody guiding her, is there a sort of a fear inside of your head that you think someone else needs to address? Na may dapat hindi dapat isipin yon, dapat positive thinking. Ano ba? Is there a fear that you guys still have right now?
For sure, yeah. Especially with our daughter. She's, like we said, she's verbal but not actually verbal but non-conversant. So yeah, there are a couple of fears. Number one is yun talaga yun. I think every
Yung ultimate fear.
autism parent na tanungin mo talaga if there's really one thing, iba-iba kaming journey, pero if there's one thing
Similar.
that binds us together, it's
Yeah.
really a fear that when we're gone, what's gonna happen?
What's next for them?
Because
Yun talaga, bro.
who's gonna care for them the same way
Yeah.
we do?
Oh.
Yeah, what will happen if they still can't live independently? That's one. Number two, present fear, because our daughter is is verbal but non-conversant. Ano yung nangyayari sa kanya pag hindi niya kami kasama? Yung mga ganon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kasi hindi makakapagsumbong eh. Yung
Yeah.
ganyan.
Yeah.
So, yan yung mga bagay na tinuturo sa kanya eh ngayon. Like, we really want her to have more words and to be conversant kasi
Be able to
para for
share.
her to tell me what happened to her.
Yeah.
Like, if
How's her day?
Yeah, kasi even with us, I mean, yun nga, like uncontrollable stuff. Syempre, when we take her to school,
Yeah.
she does go to school. I mean, you know,
Okay. Yeah.
she goes to school, we send her to school, and there are things
siya, diba?
and activities that we're not present, that we're not physically with her.
Yes. Yes.
So, syempre, meron pa ring trust na we have to trust in the teachers, we have to
Yeah.
trust in the classmates,
Mhm.
and the people surrounding her. And we've heard all the horror stories, 'di ba? Yung kahit nga sa pamilya minsan may mga horror
Yeah.
stories na
Yeah.
hindi mo alam, pinsan, tito.
Yeah.
I mean, we try to pray pa rin for guidance na parang and safety and protection for her every time, especially when we're not physically with her. And
Yes.
that's where the trust comes in. I guess yun yung fear na sinasabi ni Alcina na kahit nandito pa kami, yun yung medyo we don't know eh. Like if she's bullied, hindi naman niya kukwento sa amin. If someone's tormenting her or teasing her, or worse, knock on wood, physically harming her in whatever capacity, we will never know. Diba? Unless it manifests talaga, like we see it, pero
You see the bruises or
see the
something.
bruises or whatever, pero wala eh.
Ganun, nakita kami.
Oo, may
Pero kasi naman, syempre pwede rin kasing because
pwede sa kanya.
naglikot
Sinagat niya yung sarili niya or whatever.
Likod
I don't know.
or nabangga.
Natamaan,
Ganon.
yeah.
Tama, we never know. We never know.
Yeah, may pwede rin ganon.
Oo.
May moments na biglang, yung mga funny moments din ha.
Wala ngipin niya.
Ngipin biglang nawala. Wala, natanggal yung ngipin mo.
Nalulok ba niya?
Yeah.
Oo, ganun.
Bag. So, kasi, pero alam naman namin na medyo umuuga na yun.
Yeah,
So,
yeah.
pero when exactly siya biglang natanggal, tsaka nasa
Don't
yung
know.
PCG
She won't tell us.
She doesn't
Yung
know.
bawal
She
ganon.
can't
No.
say.
Yeah.
Ito very very real concern pag may sakit. Ayaw ko
Yeah.
nagkakasakit si Soleil because
She can't
we
tell
don't
us how she
describe
feels.
the pain, yung intensity ng pain, hindi ko matanong gaano kasakit. Like,
Yeah.
super sakit ba? Kaya,
Or where is it painful? Or,
Yeah.
kaya we really taught her how to point.
Point,
Yung
yeah.
pointing, yung mga
Yeah.
ganong bagay, napaka-importante for a child with special needs.
Okay.
Yung pointing, tinuturuan namin yan mag-point.
Yeah.
Boo-boo, ouchie, where? Point.
Yeah.
You point.
Yeah.
So, tapos pag may masakit sa kanya, kaya talagang mas magastos tong buhay na to.
No.
Kasi pag may masakit sa kanya, agad
Yeah,
na
yeah.
Hindi
Kasi
namin alam eh.
matanong yung
Oo.
intensity
Lahat
ng pain.
ng test na
Lahat,
pwede.
gawin mo na. Kasi,
Oo.
hindi namin alam eh.
Okay na itulog
Oo.
or okay lang na ang bigyan ka lang ng gamot, or are you in a kind of pain where you need to see a doctor?
Yeah.
Tapos ito pa, ang autistic children usually, not always naman, usually mataas ang pain tolerance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mataas ang pain tolerance nila. So, yon. So,
You wouldn't know rin.
You don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, mataas pain tolerance nila. Sometimes, even when they're in pain,
Iniinda lang nila. They're just,
iniinda nila. Oo.
You just
No,
brush it off. Yeah.
Very real
tinitiis,
example,
tinitiis.
sapatos. Hindi namin
Pansin.
So, and these will happen. Don't beat yourself up for it. Gusto ko rin sabihin sa iba. Basta you just try your best. May pantos na pala sa paa.
Kasi masikip na pala.
Masikip na pala yung sapatos.
Oo.
Kasi
Ganun.
sinasabi na
Tinitiis.
yung mga ganyan. So, or yung sapatos, kahit kasya pa naman, syempre papansin naman namin yun kung hindi na namin masuot sa kanya.
Yeah.
No? But, nasusuot naman, pero siguro medyo lumaki na ng konti yung paa niya.
Yeah.
Masikip, napantos na
Masakit
siya.
na, yeah.
Those things.
Those simple things.
It's really about not being able to communicate. That's the issue. At least for our case. That's the major thing for us. It's everything is stemming from that. The inability to verbally communicate.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yun. Ang ganda. So you guys have shared well enough everything that you've gone through. Do you have any specific lesson that you want to share? One last lesson. Just something that you wanna end this video, this episode with. Something you wanna share to people who might go through or who is going through the same things you guys are going through.
For me, the simplest lesson that we could share, especially with parents who have no clue what this is. Like yun nga, there's a misconception that it's a sickness. There's a misconception that, you could have done maybe something wrong. Maraming conspiracy theories about vaccinations. And maybe, you could look into that.
Yeah.
But once you're in this situation, yun nga, one thing lang, I know a lot of people process, finding out about this thing differently.
Yeah.
And some people blame themselves. Some people even take it out on the kids themselves, which for me is the biggest na mistake that you can do because it's not their fault.
Yes.
You know, it's not their fault, and what the quirks that they have that's very unique to them and they're
Mhm.
special, and you have to embrace them. Because honestly, if you wouldn't, who would?
That's true.
I mean, they can't take care of themselves that way unless you teach them to, unless you guide them to. So parang I guess one lesson lang, if you are in this situation, all is not lost. It's, you know, it's not like okay, parang oh, end of the world. No, it's not. It's definitely not. I mean, it's a journey, but there's so many things that you will find and you will discover that you know, through their eyes. Kasi they look at things so differently, and sometimes
Yeah.
honestly I think we need more of them.
Yeah, mas
We
maganda,
need
mas maganda.
mas maganda, bro, kasi alam mo yung patience nila, their kindness, their
Yeah.
Their
compassion, their
creativity.
Yeah.
creativity, their minds, and you know, the
Yeah.
way they look at things. Na sa atin, we're just, you know,
We take it
like,
for granted, yeah.
take for granted kasi we're so
Yeah.
used to it. We think we know everything. We think
Yeah.
na, you know, we've seen it all.
For
No.
them, it's so beautiful, di ba?
So beautiful. Yung beautiful
Ganda.
mind, ika nga, di ba?
Yeah,
Yung,
yeah, yeah.
iba talaga, bro. Parang, and for them, and for me to, you know, for you to experience that firsthand is also a blessing. And
Yes.
I think if you are in the situation, you are also chosen. There's a special purpose why that's you know, that God put it, you know, put them into your lives.
Yes.
So parang embrace that. Embrace that purpose and go through it. Kasi parang yun nga eh. It'll also teach, like what my wife said, may mga things you will learn also about yourselves na you didn't think you're capable to
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
And then ma-realize mo, kaya ko pala. You know,
Yeah.
I have the capacity to be like this. I have the capacity to be, you know, selfless and put
Yeah.
others first, and, you know,
Be
make sure
patient.
that be patient, you know, and love for, you know, yung tunay na pagmamahal kasi talaga, iba yung the highest form of love, yung unconditional.
Yes.
I know mahirap yun. And sa tao,
Yes.
sa totoo lang, minsan it's really hard to love people without conditions.
Yes, that's
Di
true.
ba? But with them, honestly, they love you unconditionally. And once you learn that, na parang, and they teach you that. Kasi it's not just us teaching them eh. They will
Yeah.
also teach you so many things.
Yeah.
Subconsciously, consciously, in every aspect, you will learn. It's a learning process, not just for her and for your
That's
kid,
for
but
sure.
it's a two-way street. So
Yeah.
parang those learnings for me are invaluable, and you can bring into your everyday, you know, interactions with different people. You could bring it to how you view people, how you view society, how you know, be thankful that every day is a blessing.
Yes.
So you don't take it for granted. Kasi sila, they don't. So I guess that's mine. Yeah.
For
Oh.
me, I've already mentioned earlier yung parang medyo spiritual advice
Yeah.
ko na about love, patience, and surrender.
Yeah.
If there's one thing naman na practical, on the practical
Yeah.
side, that I
Mhm.
want others to take from this is, if you're going through this journey, find your dream team. So
Oh,
that's
yeah,
what
yeah,
we
yeah,
call
yeah,
it,
yeah, yeah.
the dream team. Ano ba
Okay.
tong the dream team na to?
Yeah.
Itong the dream team na to,
Yeah.
this is the set of people, teachers, doctors, therapists, who will help you. Occupational therapists, depende sa needs mo ha. Again,
Yeah.
iba-iba tayo ng needs. Occupational therapy, speech therapy, behavior therapy, your developmental pediatrician, your
Yeah.
SPED tutor, the teachers in school, ano man, kung ano man yung kailangan mo, yung dream team mo, find it. And that's a journey in itself.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Finding your dream
The right
team,
fit.
the
The
right
right fit.
people. Kasi there will be teachers na hindi
Bagay.
okay, may therapists na hindi magiging okay.
Yeah.
Find your dream team. And once you find your dream team, yan,
Oh.
you go through the journey together. Ganyan kami ka-loyal. Kung gaano kami ka-loyal sa aming dun sa when we find a person, a teacher, therapist, or a doctor who's really good, like somebody who works well with our daughter and we believe in, ay hindi namin iniiwan. As in, for example, itong speech therapist, sinusundan ko siya kung saan
Siya
siya
magpunta.
kung
Yeah.
saan siya nag-resign siya dun sa center kung nasan kami.
Yeah.
Okay. We asked her, where are you transferring?
Yeah.
Because we are going to
Yeah.
transfer there. Because, she does so well with her daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Iba yung
yun,
rapport nila eh. So parang
find your dream team.
and you don't get discouraged kasi finding the dream team is hard.
Yeah.
So if you find, let's say you find
It's
one lang,
hard.
let's say one lang nahanap nyo, okay lang yun.
Okay, keep
Until
that
Step,
up.
next step.
Next.
Yeah.
Next step. One by one. Click kami. It didn't it took quite some time building that team. And yun nga,
Hindi pa siya actually.
yeah, and from time to time yung team nila nabubuwag kasi some
Yeah.
people can go out of the country.
Resign.
Yeah.
Some people will get married. And then, iba na yung it's happened to us. So parang, and also if you could, syempre your household talaga, kung sino mang kasama niyo talaga sa bahay, depende kung kayo lang ba, parents, may kapatid, kung may lola at lolo ba, or may yaya. Kami, we're so blessed then to have yayas who are so dedicated to our kids, especially with Soleil. And I see that they really not just do it as a job, but they really do care and love our daughter
That's awesome.
and are extremely invested also in her life. Wherein, kahit wala kami, I'm sure,
Trust.
ako kampante ako bro.
Yeah.
Kahit wala kami, okay, si Soleil basta nandyan yung yaya niya.
Yeah.
Like, ganun kami ka,
That's
So if you could find that, nako.
Because
Best.
parent main primary caregiver, sige, hindi ko na sasabing parent kasi
Yeah.
iba-iba ang primary caregiver
yes.
ng special needs
Yes,
student.
correct.
Minsan tita niya ang primary caregiver,
Yes.
lolo niya. Primary caregiver burnout is so real
Oh yeah.
for
Yeah.
special needs
You need help
children.
talaga.
Kasi mahirap talaga siya.
Okay.
So, primary caregiver burnout is real. So, it's so important to find help. Either
Yeah.
a nanny or hindi na kailangan nanny. Kung meron kang kamag-anak na talagang alam mong mapagkakatiwalaan mo yung anak. You can, trust your child with him or her.
Yeah.
It really
So
takes
you
a
can
village.
take a breather.
Yeah, takes a village.
The primary caregiver needs a breather also. Kasi you can't pour from
Oh.
an empty cup.
Yeah, that's very important. Sorry, one last lesson yan. You also need to take breaks.
Yeah.
You need those breaks. You need to keep your sanity rin. Kasi syempre, as much as we love our children, di ba? Kahit naman hindi ASD, kahit neurotypical, di ba? We get burnout.
Yeah.
So we need vacations. We need whatever that is. It doesn't literally have to be beach or kahit a walk lang or parang a day lang away to
yes.
just be, may me time ka lang bro. Kung doesn't matter what mo hobby mo. You need those breaks para you need parang to re-energize yourself para the next day or the next few times na you'll be duty to take care of your kids. You will have that strength and energy. And what apart from physically, to take care of yourself physically, it's also your mental and your your mental health and your needs talaga na kailangan you also address. So don't forget that then. So parang as much as we love our children and we'd like to do everything for them, don't forget about yourselves too. That's very important. So do things that make you happy. Kasi as long as you're happy, they're happy, everyone's happy.
Yeah.
So yun bro.
Maganda. Thank you for blessing us with your story, guys. Seryoso. I mean,
Thank you.
Thank you for
Ganda,
having us.
ganda,
And thank you for
ganda.
your channel. This is such
I
a
mean,
what you're doing, bro. This is such a parang an amazing feat, and I pray that you'll have more chances and more people to interview like this. More
I
power to your
appreciate that,
channel.
man. I appreciate
Yes,
that. Thank
we're
you
here to
so
support.
much.
We're here to support.
I love your story. I hope we could reach someone who's watching right now. I hope you got something from IJ and Alcina. Thank you again, IJ and Alcina. I really, really love your story, guys. Thank you, and so much more patience for you guys. Love you both. Thank you.
Thank you. Love you, brother.
Thank
you so
you.
much. Thank you.